Hi guys, this is Mithil and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of the half yearly series, and today I'm going to be talking about all my favorite things in this video. It's basically my half yearly favorites video. So let's get started with this video. So in case you guys have not checked out, I have posted the video previously that shows all my favorite makeup products, my favorite makeup techniques with you guys. So I'm gonna leave the link up here and in the description for you guys to check out. But just to give a basic idea, in the makeup category, I've been loving something which is very much more skin like, a very natural and a nude makeup look. I think I have not used colors in a really long time. I don't mind it, but it's just that with any look, I think neutrals have suited me more than my color. So that is a switch that has been happening. I'm going to talk more about skincare, and I'm actually going to show you guys a product that I thought I might not repurchase, but once I ran out of it, I fell in love with that product. I'm talking about this Foxtails Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser. This is such a beautiful cleanser or a face wash, you could say. The packaging is so cute, the pump is so cute and unique, the product that comes out of it looks and smells so luxurious on the skin. It feels so lightweight, so gentle, yet it just feels so refreshing, and I love using this as my morning cleanser. At night I prefer something that's little more harsher, I would say, in the sense that I have my sunscreen, a little bit of makeup, so I want something that will remove that effectively. This does it, but this has a more gentle approach. So this one is the perfect morning cleanser. It's gonna suit all skin types. I'm someone from the oily skin and I absolutely love it. It does not strip your skin. It's very gentle, leaves your skin feeling very soft, fresh and clean. So this is something that I've been really enjoying, and I actually got two backups of these products with me, and I'm gonna try and link all the products I'm talking about in the description so that you guys can check them out. Now, a very surprising product is the Dot & Key Watermelon Super Glow Toner. Now this came as a freebie to me with some of my Dot & Key order. It is basically the cucumber and glycolic acid toner, and I have not been using my AHA BHA since a very long time because I was on a treatment prescribed by my dermat, and then I was like, I want to stick to products that I know work for me and not mix a lot of products. But this toner has actually done such a good job. I'm definitely going and buying a full bottle of this one because this one really very gently exfoliates, like तुमको feel भी नहीं होगा. I've been using this every day, and since it's a toner it won't have a higher concentration as well, but it works very beautifully at keeping your acne at bay, help clearing your skin out. Like, I have been very much enjoying this one, and I think it will suit all skin types. Even if you're a beginner, this is the perfect thing to introduce. If you want to introduce AHAs, BHAs into your skincare routine, want to introduce actives, this is the perfect beginning. Yes, and then one thing when you're using such products you need to keep in mind is you need a very good moisturizer, and I'm going to be sharing the Venusia Acne Moisturizer. This was prescribed to me by my dermat, and the first time I actually used it, I did not like it because I just felt like it took a while to blend in, but as much as I used it, it is such a good moisturizer. I am someone who loves thicker moisturizer, so in the morning I don't use my moisturizer because my sunscreen is hydrating enough, but at night I need a moisture that is thick and replenishing, and this one is exactly that, but it's a very different formula. It's very gel based and lightweight, so you won't feel like it's hydrating enough, but when you put it on the skin it is so nourishing and moisturizing, but it's extremely lightweight, so it will not feel heavy or greasy on the skin. This is my second tube that I've purchased. एक मैंने already खाली कर दिया, and I've been really enjoying this one. It's very affordable as well. I think like 400-500 rupees में you get like a 75 grams tube, and it is pretty good. So if you are someone, and it is dermat approved, it is very good for oily acne prone skin. So if you are someone who's looking out for a moisturizer, especially someone with oily acne prone skin, then definitely go for this one. And then I actually have a bougie lip balm to share with you guys, which is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. I have it in the shade berry. I was contemplating on getting this one since a really long time, but the fact that it's so expensive, my heart was not ready to give that much money for just a lip balm. But oh my god, is it worth it? It is so soft, so smooth, it's so thick and nourishing. The fragrance is so good. The entire experience of using this, like the cap is so pretty, and even the top, the product that comes out of it is so good. It really moisturizes and nourishes your lips. I personally have really, I'm so sorry, it fell down. I've really enjoyed using it, and I'm definitely buying more of it when I run out of it. It is such a beautiful product, and if you're thinking and contemplating, sorry for the background noise, but you should definitely check it out. Next, I have a few Bath and Body products to share with you guys. Now, this one is a recent purchase. This is the Bath and Body Works Aromatherapy range. I have the Neroli and Bergamot Blossom Body Wash. First of all, the bottle looks so good. The colors are so soothing, and when you smell it, oh my god, I can smell like orange for sure, but it's a very soothing orange. It's not that ekdam poppy fruity wala orange. It feels and smells so relaxing, so good on the body. I enjoy it, especially on days I just want to unwind. This one is a luxurious and calming experience. The Victoria's Secret cocoa oil I have been wanting to try out a body oil, and then I got this last year, and throughout this year I've enjoyed using this body oil so much. Recently in summers and monsoons अभी मैं नहीं use कर रही हूँ is because my skin already feels very sticky, so I don't want to add another layer of moisturizer because I have someone who's very oily skin. But my dry skin girls and my oily skin girls both will love this because it's a very lightweight body oil. It nourishes your body very well. It does not feel sticky. It does not stay on your skin for a very long time, which is a plus point because if you're someone with oily skin, you don't like thick oils that just stay on your skin, and it is a very mild, sweet, soothing fragrance. So if you're someone who's not big on fragrances as well, this is the perfect product to go for. I don't love Victoria's Secret as a brand that much. The lingerie is overpriced, the body mist, the shower gel and everything is overpriced and not even worth it because they don't even last. But if there's one product that you should actually try from Victoria's Secret which is worth the money that you put in, being this one being for like 2000 or 3000 rupees, it's definitely the Victoria's Secret body oil. You need to get your hands on this one. I have been going big and bold in perfumes, and I have an entire rack full of perfumes. And I think in my next half yearly series, you're gonna be seeing me talk about so many more. But this time, I have two favorites which I have to share with you guys. First one I have is the Zara Red Temptation perfume. This was a very fluke purchase. Me and Kushi had gone shopping, and we just randomly liked this, and we were like, let's get our hand on this. And when we got it, oh my god, this one, first of all, it smells like it's definitely a dupe of the Baccarat Rouge perfume, which is going very viral. But it is a very classy, it has hints of vanilla, berries, I would say like red currants style of like red, like it says Red Temptation. I can definitely make out it having red scents. It's a very strong, sexy, bold date night perfume for women. When you go out, you're gonna get heads turning around you. It's so strong. It has a great projection. It has a great lasting power. This lasts you till the entire night and the next day. You're gonna smell stunning, and you literally need, I would say, like this one is a roller ball, but if you're spraying like two sprays here and two over your clothes, if you spray more, you're gonna have a headache because it's that strong and that long lasting. You need a little bit, that goes a long way, and it's a very beautiful and affordable perfume as well. Like मैंने इसको इतनी बार यूज़ किया है, but अभी तक इतना ही यूज़ हुआ है. So you guys know what I'm trying to say. And if you're looking for something which is more fresh, more daytime, more sweet, girly perfume, I have the perfect one. This is the Bella Vita Honey Oud. I love the packaging. I had heard great things about this one and it did not fail me. It's a beautiful nectar vanilla smell. It has quite a bit of fresh, sweet, fruity notes. It is a beautiful, beautiful girly perfume that you would be looking for. It's something which will not displease anyone. I think everyone will like this perfume. It's a crowd pleaser, and if you're looking for something affordable, check this one out. Moving to the hair care products, मेरे पास hair care wise इतना कुछ नहीं है, but I have two serums that I want to talk to you guys. I think this one I've already talked, which is the Bare Anatomy Ultra Smoothing Hair Serum. This combined with the Bare Anatomy Hair Mask gives you amazing results. If I have an event to go to, if I want like my hair need to look good no matter what product I'm using, if I just top it off with this serum as well, my hair end up looking so smooth and manageable, and it helps control frizz also for a really good amount. So I've been really enjoying it. It is a very good hair serum, and yeah, I really like it. If I run out of it, I'm definitely getting a repurchase of it. Another serum that I was actually surprised would make me fall in love with it. It is the Tresemme Ultimate Gloss Hair Serum. Now this one I would say does only one job. It gives you a glossy shine and it makes your hair feel so smooth. It doesn't work on the frizz or the dry hair or like the wavy stuff, but oh my god, I apply this and my hair feels so smooth, so glossy, so soft. This one is actually doing what it claims. I'm not expecting a serum to work on everything, but if you're even working on what you claim, oh my god, this is that serum. And the packaging and the serum in itself just looks so luxurious. It's definitely something that you need to give it a try. Ultra Shine Hair Serum, it is so good and it's very hydrating and nourishing as well, and it's pretty affordable. Like this one was for 5.99, but obviously you get it on discount, so 400 450 में I think you should be able to get it. But yeah, this is one thing I like. इसमें छोटा वाला भी है, but I've been enjoying using this one. इतना ज़्यादा use नहीं किया, you can see, but जितना भी किया है, I was impressed. Those were kind of all the products that I wanted to talk about. You know, I don't like to make these videos long and recommend like multiple products because कितना ही मेरा फेवरेट हो सकता है, you know. So I just want to bring out new products and products that I'm actually loving in every different video so that you guys can also have like a fresh perspective. And talking about that, I've been really enjoying watching Netflix in my free time. I've just been like trying to be cozy, comfy, wearing a cute comfy night suit and watching my series. And something that I've really fallen in love with is a Good Doctor series. This is basically about an autistic person who's pursuing to become a surgery resident, and every episode has a new case, a new story to be discussed. It is very broadly into the medical perspective, but then later on they do add a lot of emotions, a lot of relationships and stuff like that. So if you love medical and you love drama, you're gonna love this series. I'm obsessed with it. It has 6 seasons and I'm so grateful for all the seasons because I cannot stop watching it, and I highly recommend you guys to check it out if that's something that interests you. Something else also I've been loving to watch on YouTube. Actually, I've really shifted to YouTube in the past 1 month to watching Good Doctor. That's all I watch. But I've been loving more of lifestyle vlogs. मैं beauty और वो space से ज़्यादा हट गई हूँ, and इसीलिए even I don't prefer. But I do love product recommendations video, like जहाँ पे when you are like trying or recommending new products, so reviews, recommendations is something I like. But I've been loving more lifestyle vlogs, so I'm gonna leave YouTube channels or links for people I love watching in the description. You guys can check them out. And the last thing that I've been really enjoying is my new vanity setup, shooting in my new vanity setup. I have an entire video for my vanity tour. I actually made a new vanity and I want to share that with you guys, but I need to put on some final touches. So stay tuned for that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you think you are gonna try, or if any of these are already your favorites. And I will see you guys in my next half yearly video. Bye.